Croydon Property Maintenance provides services for residential and commercial properties. We guarantee all our work and are more than happy to offer a free estimate. We provide services in roofing, pressure washing, graffiti removal, drainage, landscaping, fencing and tree surgery, with specialist teams dedicated to each and a reputation for leaving customers happy and satisfied. You can look at our reviews on Checkatrade as well as Google, and we take no deposits to get started. This is a new roof installation in Beckenham, Kent, with a 12-year guarantee, leaving the client stress-free from start to finish. You're in experienced, safe hands with the CPM team, with no debris left on site at the end of the day. If you would like to arrange a free estimate, please get in touch on 0800 303 2745 or drop us an email via info@croydonpropertymaintenance.com.